Hi. Can you be a little more polite? Are you a pirate? Can you blow a kiss? Can you toot? That's gross. Can you do a red wolf? How about an owl? The pretty songbirds? How about a rooster? How about a pig that needs to go on a diet? How about your best friend the skunk? Stinker. Can you fall down? Did that hurt? Cry like a baby? Can you fly on the spaceship? And shoot the lasers? Gonna make everyone scream. That sounds evil. How about a knock at the door? Can you get down? Can you sing in the shower? Is it dusty? The most annoying sound in the world. Can you do a cat? How about a dog? Can you bark? Good. About a big cat from the jungle. Can you do water? How about a knock at the door? Can you help me start the car? What'd you do for a peanut? Good. Can you get down?
Okay.
Hello there everyone, Adam Patterson here with our world famous African gray parrot, Einstein. Can you say hi? Hello. That's very nice. Now we can't shake hands right now, so how about a little wave? Can you wave to everybody? Yeah, let's wave. Oh, good job. Now Einstein, what is it that has made you so famous? That's right, she's a superstar on YouTube. Well, now let's talk about things that we can do to help stay safe. Do you agree?
Yeah.
All right. Good. So let's say you got a nasty cough. You want to make sure that we cover that cough with something like a tissue. That way we don't spread those droplets everywhere, right? So, all right, Einstein, we got a nasty cough. Very good. Yeah, very good. Then you want to be sure that you take that tissue and you throw it away. Well, preferably in the trash can, not on the floor, but we'll work on that. Now we should also continue practicing our social distancing. So if somebody starts to come within 6 feet of you, you can just scream, "Ah! Ah! Ah!" Yeah, there you go. Well, I'm just kidding. Maybe before we do that, we can just ask them to stop. So they start walking up to you, you can ask them to stop.
Stop it.
That's right. Or you could also toot. Oh my. That may get the job done, but how about we try the other things first? We'll go stir crazy. So Einstein and I are going to help show you guys some things that you can do at home to help stay sane. While you're at home, you can practice your dance moves, put on some nice music. Einstein, can you sing? Yeah, and then you can practice getting down. Let's get down. Very good. Even though you might not be able to make it out to the gym, we can still do some stuff, some exercises at home, like push-ups and sit-ups and going for runs. Einstein, can you work out? Yeah, let's work out. Woo, work out. There you go. Is your friend sad that it's their birthday and they can't have their party or have anybody over? Well, here's what you can do. Maybe you can FaceTime them and sing them happy birthday. All right, Einstein, can you do happy birthday? Yeah? Happy birthday! You can also head out into your backyard and do some bird watching. Einstein, can you be a bird? Well, you are a bird, right?